creating an infrastructure to support your efforts in continuous improvement, the best method is to ensure everyone is on board, trained, and capable of improving everything. But this inevitably makes things a bit challenging. Establishing infrastructure and key roles can be very valuable. If you have not already established critical roles for your infrastructure, there are a few things to keep in mind. Firstly, you'll want to identify what roles are needed. In doing this, you may consider establishing a core team for your efforts, specialists, someone to market the strategy, as well as having people who can direct the strategy from a high level, while those on the front line execute. In addition, fresh eyes can be a real benefit. This is where consultants, coaches, and trainers come in handy. Once you decide what your company will need, then you can begin selecting the appropriate people to help with implementation. You may find that a great deal of employees are leading improvements in various ways. If so, it is always a good idea to formalize their job roles as part of their job description and share the changes with everyone else. Establishing key roles and responsibilities will help you as the journey progresses and you work to implement pull systems.